solve the linear system of equations algebraically. So we're going to take these first two equations and we're going to put them in the problem. Okay, and we're going to solve it by elimination. So I'm just going to put some parentheses around here. Okay, and we are canceling out the x variable. So and I'm rewriting the equations. Alright, so the x's cancel out and you get negative 2y minus z equals 2. And this is your first new equation.
To solve for the second new equation, we will take these last two equations and get rid of the x's again. So x plus 5y plus 2z equals negative 1, and 2x plus 6y plus 3z equals 2. So to cancel out the x's, we will take the top equation times negative 2. So we will get negative 2x minus 10y minus 4z equals 2. So those x's cancel, and our second new equation is negative 4y minus z equals 4. And that is the new equation number 2.
So now we're going to put the two new equations together to find y and z, and then later to find x. So we're going to start with our second new equation, negative 4y minus z equals 4. And then we're going to put negative 2y minus z equals negative 4. Equals 2, I'm sorry. I'm going to multiply the first equation by negative 1. So we're going to get 4y plus z equals negative 4. So our z's cancel out. So we're going to have 2y equals negative 2. And then we're going to divide by 2 on each side. And we get y to equal negative 1. So now we need to plug that back into one of these first equations. So we're going to go negative 2 times negative 1 minus z equals 2. So we get 2 minus z equals 2. So we're going to subtract 2, and then we get z equals 0. Now we need to plug those into one of our first equations, and we are going to use this one right here, the first. So since we have z and y, we're going to leave x blank, so it'll be x plus 3y, so y being negative 1, and then plus 0 equals 1. So then we get x minus 3 equals 1. So we're going to add 3 on both sides. And we get that x is equal to 4. So now that we have all 3 of our variables figured out, we need to form our triplet. So our triplet in alphabetical order, x, y, z, would be 4, -1, and 0. And that is how you solve the linear system of equations algebraically with 3 variables.